First of all, thanks for being here in my YouTube channel. So now let me move on to basic arrangement level question number 2. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So totally there are 7 members of a club, and each person likes a different professions like scientist, engineer, architect, CA, etc. And also each of them are having a different favorite sports games such as tennis, basketball, snooker, etc. So our target to find which person likes which profession and also likes which game. Got it? So totally how many persons are there? 7 persons are there. So let me fix them, right? So A, B, C, D, E, F and G. So totally there are 7 persons, and each person's like a different sports games, and also each person has a different professions. Got it? So first point, B's favorite sport is lawn tennis and he is not a CA. Got it? So it's a direct statement where B's favorite game. So B's favorite game is lawn tennis. So what we can do is we can directly fix B's favorite game will be lawn tennis, but the person B does not like CA. So this is not a CA. Second point, D is an architect and does not like basketball. So similarly, where D is an architect, it's a direct point, right? So the person D is an architect and this person does not like basketball. Got it? So they have given that D does not like basketball, but D is an architect. Next point, the doctor favorite sport is carom. So the doctor favorite sport is a carom, but we don't know who likes a carom and also who is a doctor. Whether you know, no, if we go with possible, then we will get many possible diagram. I can fix carom and doctor here, one possible, carom doctor, many possible. So in this case, just take a small note that the person who is a doctor, he likes a game that is carom, right? Note number 1. Second, the teacher favorite sport is volleyball. So similarly, the person who is a teacher, he likes volleyball. Again, if we go with this diagram, we will get many possible. So what we can do is, the person who is a teacher, he likes volleyball. Again, we can take this as a second note. So first note is a doctor, he likes carom. Second note, the person who is a teacher, he likes volleyball. Let me move on to the next point. E is the scientist. It's a direct statement, so the person E is the scientist. And the next, C, the lawyer, likes badminton. So the person C is a lawyer. It's a direct statement again. So the person C is a lawyer and this person C likes badminton. Okay, we can fix this. So person C is a badminton and E is a lawyer. Last point, no, we have still 2 points to go. A likes table tennis. It's a direct statement. Again, the person A likes a table tennis. Okay. And the last point is F's favorite sport is a volleyball. So F's favorite sport is a volleyball. So remember that by using the 2 clues, we already know that the person who is a teacher, he likes volleyball. And now according to the last point where F likes volleyball, if F likes volleyball, then we can surely say F will be the teacher, because we already know that the person who is a teacher likes volleyball. So this clue is now eliminated. So remaining, we have only one clue, that the person who is a doctor, he likes the game that is carom. I can't able to fix doctor here. If I fix doctor here, then this should be carom. Not possible. Doctor carom not possible. Already lawyer and badminton is fixed. Similarly, doctor carom not possible. Doctor carom not possible. Already teacher here not possible. Only one chance. I should fix doctor here, no other way, and this person should like carom. Got it? So doctor, teacher, scientist, architect, and remember that the person B does not like CA. Then only one place is remaining, then A should be a CA, no other way. What is the remaining profession? I think engineering is remaining. So definitely the person B should be the engineering person, no other way. And similarly, we know that the person D does not like basketball. Only one possible, then E should be basketball. Got it? So what is the remaining one game remaining? That is snooker. So snooker should be D. That's it. Got it? Snooker, badminton, lawn tennis, table tennis, basketball, volleyball, carom. And also the person A, C, A, B will be engineering, C will be lawyer, architect, scientist, teacher and a doctor. That's it. So this is the way we actually solve all these kinds of simple basic arrangement. If you practice more, you can surely crack this arrangement within 1 minute. 1 minute is, even if you practice more number of questions, just like that in mind, you can easily crack all those basic arrangements. It requires lot of practice, right? Got it? So this will be the answer for arrangement number 2.